Tired of complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your kitchen and save you precious time. Imagine having 9 different appliances in one sleek device. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to making yogurt and sautéing, it truly does it all. With 15 customizable programs, whipping up perfect meals like rice, soup, or even cake is effortlessly simple, even for beginners. And its durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and healthy cooking every single time, ensuring longevity for your investment. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its intuitive interface and advanced safety features, making gourmet cooking accessible to everyone. No more cluttered counters or endless pots and pans. This Instant Pot streamlines your entire cooking process. It's not just a kitchen gadget. It's a complete cooking solution that empowers you to create delicious, healthy meals faster than ever before. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking game and find the best kitchen appliance for 2025, you absolutely need this. Check out the Amazon link in the description below to see current pricing and grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today. For unparalleled versatility, reliability, and sheer cooking joy, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly my top recommendation for any home cook.